Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the browser. Make sure Chrome or a Chromium browser is current because incognito extension behavior depends on recent APIs. Once ready, open the extensions page, type Chrome//extensions in the address bar, or go through menu extensions. Make sure developer mode is enabled. This reveals the extra controls you need. You do this first so the rest proceeds without permission roadblocks, and so you can see the specific. Next, locate the extension on the page and click Details to reach its permissions. Once inside, find the Allow an Incognito switch and toggle it on. The browser will show a warning about potential data exposure, so read it and confirm if you accept the risk. If you don't see that option, make sure the extension is up to date, or remove and reinstall it from a trusted store. This step grants the extension the runtime permission to operate in private windows. Finish by verifying the change. Open a new incognito window and test the extension on sites where it should work to confirm functionality. Make sure site access permissions and background operation are allowed in the extension's details. Some extensions block incognito use unless both are set. If it still fails, re-enable developer mode to view error logs and reinstall the extension if necessary. One troubleshooting tip: disable other extensions temporarily to rule out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.